ki khubor ka Bate CTV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi A bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabenta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
UMP ke Rajya Sabha ke Jela Meghalaya U Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi hakar potre ujiliu arajar posau ulam mudoi dake e jahar persya iwe YouTuber halaging syak kena bu UMP udang keti hakajing bamsap hakabede bakajing pentrekam ya ke MP scheme. Kat kum khubor bala penmi hakawe ke YouTube channel ke bala aikateng RS Kharbani lethu spangajing yo ke armut ke MP barem ke Jela Meghalaya ke MP scheme katana tura ban Shillong bakin thopru UMP meminta jang Rajya Sabha. Hakajing kran bikla pathai khubor Dr. Kharlukhi ubadiru MP neka National People's Party kebabat yu lakam sensyar ka jela ulo ang bagijing kentho neki comments hakani YouTube channel ki kedokti bakum MP udan bentah ka bamsap.
Itu ki banget ki manget ngat ya ledi ngam kita menem banga bet namar ba ka de kis dong nga ketu kan ki ngam social media ngat ke de ha tu pukni pun long pukni was ngotan hat bon bam dok pun de kumpul buruk ki babi ki long negative think that is way are try la long positive kan am sinjam dong ngam ne ngala lodge ko complain about cyber crime kan lami nak tu sampai kusulong batang ketak kan ngom ne ki ngala ong de prank ngom ba yang ngam sul pen he pen san ben nang ben tu pun thok dengan ngang the mi kum kini ki sha la slam ngum ju pendok si press okay thanks I can read the press today kalau ba ngasngo banga hak ban clarify ngati ngam la ban sha namar yala de ngam le bat lagi brief kilap nganong ipi kesni bi kilap ngan resign kum MP bat kum jo ngan quit politics bala dengan mood after 2 years nang dengan quit politics kan isngau jonga kalau ba ndemi kali ngang sim juga ba yala de ngang value ba ya kata ka ba kumunong hoi ngam de bohong ngomong de bohong de burim nga persang ben imbek ben nyadbek ba nga value kata ka bali hikai nga nado pengendang red di mei ba junga ba ndagami kani ba nga dapet ya gitu ki comments ha gitu comments si kala pen pa ba kin de puli ya kani ke YouTube lalap bengi de ginong to lalap kata ka pisa ba lomba kumongi to mengi dan mar kata ka daw ang pimene immediately marsin yo ato nga file yaka ayu haga cyber yaga information report nga haga cyber crime jonga government of Meghalaya to police to ki makpet ngoki yaga to de ngong mene ngong pet ka scheme jonga arhulai arhuar keladep na DC office pun yolot ladep clear borok scheme nata like stang gitu kiba kim submit utilization certificate ki bom submit utilization certificate to video nu ai mar manga ke scheme jonga ki poi batch ki dorbar sno lane kumon ki school lane ki hospital bat ki pentre rumaki bat ngong hang ni le depi lab bakadon ko we ke scheme bo ki ong bo pentre Dr. Kharlukhi that day I will resign as MP le bakadon ki bo ong bo nga pentre nga e batch sno kede ki jongki nanta sakawe bat kani ke scheme jonga apulai sang hajing sha kani kala de bon lot tenre number taga election di gedang sa ska tu kani gi nang haben clear to mensua hakapor ke scheme arhulai ibu nodal officer UDC dengan bu new is kasils de kawan ngangalong tang recommending authority kisnong di tho ngang recommend so DC nangta UDC bat usa ai to pisa bagi dai bon yo si block this for example como ai 10 lakhs ki aishak ke block ke aishak ki beneficiary sanla ndagla ada trace teng ki submit UC ki se yoks ke teng siteng ban pendek ke kam doki kan kini ke ya 22 23 dawan kini ke 23 24 kan ke ji aku no ke change ke sistem adeli haga jaka ke rural development department jong government of India ke layat no through parliament dan nge parliament bat kai ke bejia online submit back sa parliament na parliament ki pha sa baro ki DC ki district tiga poi ke scheme ki BDO nang te ke poi ki tiga yak kunta tenang ta kemunong fi ong mene tengok kata ke jo ngong saukus lajan saukus nem mengayat politics te ngapersang kat ke bangala ban embed ban yat bet hanga ke bi kum kini means it's really hurt mà hadok menta ngom de ko be bangalong bohok try and open for any investigation any benda sumut ladon bokno nga ki papers do uang bang bam ni kata ke ai ke ban le nongkong ngan tho be manga si government please write to the CBI to investigate me and lagi lap bangale I'm ready to go to jail. And number 2 and file a defamation case ke YouTube buru go penjara buru mingala dalam ayok to pisang ngam don kam pisang anga hanga ke pisang kam dai ke jingim to pisang sa asing beduk kan ngayok bokli don kam ngale unta kan dai mga ngadon lightly kibang account meneng ang barabaja ke dong SBI nang ta galang kra SBI but HDFC is galang kra anybody kila don now hakakat ni kesnam mo 40 years haka political career ti dong ati la tok te la tenat kan bang account ko umursuang ni hikai no ngabar badon ni hikai tip as teachers you pension angam panse ngan hap that ilagi that for 3 years before I becoming an MP my wife is feeding me. That was our life. And then these people can speak like this. I was taught, that's why I came, even, of course, last time it came in Shillong Times, we rebut, me and my missus, when it came out that they wrote that 30 lakhs was given to, it was in the article, no? Some wrote a written article, 30 lakhs was given to members of MPSC. We rebut. And we challenge that if you can prove, then I'm not only me, not only my missus, I also will resign. Because you see, one thing about people, like in old days, no, whether the people is a Mansoano or not, he was killed. Till date, this is very much there. Hearsay. We believe in hearsay. With due respect, I never believe in social media. It is just because a friend, I never look at social media, it's just a friend sent it to me. The way I look at it, the way I look at these comments, I'll tell you, social media, what is it? It is a negative vultures who fed on negative carcass. This is social media. To me, I have not ever looked on social media, but today I've looked, and my impression is, it is negative vultures who fed on negative carcass. That is social media to me. And it's really, I feel that on social media we should get something which is constructive. It's projected, that the remaining, that no utilization was submit and all this. The projection was, and if you look at the comments, all the comments, we are at the receiving end. From the way he projected this statement of his, the comments was that to the people who read this, we're stealing the money. So the way that it was projected, even I read it, it was projected in that way only.
So when has you?
So the thing is like this, see, like I told you, 22-23, my thing is 22-23, it's already all 5 crores finished. In the DC office, you'll get it. If you go to the website, you'll get it. And even this 23-24 that I said, the process is going on, actually it should have been finished, but because of the election, so a little delay on some of the scheme. And I have said that not only that, you will find in the in the website that villages that I have given, you can go to the village. If they said that at least this work was not done by them, it was done by Dr. Kharuki's man, I will resign that day.